Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Casil. I just want to go over how to get started on your robot instructions. Rewatch as needed. So when you open your LEGO Mindstorms EV3 software, first thing you need to do is you need to go to Science, bottom of this menu. We are currently studying motion, so you need to go to the Motion menu, and then scroll down, find Velocity. We are learning about velocity. Once you have this, you can click the Open button. Here we are. This is what you've done so far. So, we will be going to page 5, is where you downloaded your program yesterday. So, on this screen, this is what you downloaded. See, I've got my robot Jack plugged in. If I download this, he'll sing a happy song. And I've now downloaded this program. You'll see right here it says program number 9 is what you need to run in order to operate your robot. So here, if I bring in for a second our screen, right down here, oh, it's so focused and beautiful. Isn't that just lovely? It's great. I love it. Let's get a little light on here. Focus a little bit. Okay, on your screen here, I'm going to go to the second tab by pressing the right button. And you'll see it where it says Velocity. That's the folder I want to open, so I will press the center button, which is the Execute button. It'll open that Velocity folder and see that program number 9. I want to select that, and that's what I'm going to run. So once I've selected that program number 9, sorry, I had to pause and do weird things. That's the program that I'll run. It waits for a little bit, and then your wheels start driving, and there goes your robot. Okay? So, that is how you run your program. While it's running, it's recording software. I'm going to click ahead to page 7. On page 7, it gives you instructions that I will show you also of how to upload the data from your robot. It's going to have saved a file measuring what to do. Okay? In order for this to work, your robot has to be plugged in and on. Okay? Plugged in and on. In the bottom right corner of my screen, you'll see here's the information about my robot. There's a button that now when I put my mouse over it, it says Upload. When I click on it, it asks me to choose my data. I'm doing my Velocity Lab. When you double click on that folder and open it, it's going to have every recorded run that your robot has ever completed. You want to look for the most recent one, which mine is not that last, mine is number 24. You're going to find the KM4 log with the biggest number. That's the graph that you're going to choose. You'll click the Import button, and it will plunk a funky looking graph on your screen. Click Close on this menu. And this box is really bothering me, so I'm going to go up here to the right corner and close that little booklet. If I want to open it again, I click the Open Book. You got it. This graph doesn't make any sense. So I need to come over here and instead of being on full scale, auto scale my graph. This now makes sense. Here's my robot waiting to drive, driving forward at a slow speed, then driving forward at a faster speed, and then driving forward at an even faster speed before slamming on the brakes and coasting to a stop. You'll see this dotted line that's right here, which if you turn the tires of your robot in either direction, you'll see that it's telling you how far away, how many degrees away from your initial position is your robot. You can twist this till it's off the screen if you want, so it's out of your way, or you can play around with it. It's kind of fun to see what's going to happen. Okay? So, that is how you get your graph of your data set up on your computer. How to analyze your graph will be in the next video. Thanks everyone. See you there.